We all have memories of special days, a romantic vacation, an anniversary, or a family wedding. Laughing, talking freely, and enjoy eating out with family and friends. Or do you have problems with your teeth and feel uncomfortable? Does it affect your confidence and limit your social life? Well, then you're feeling just like Jane. For years, Jane has suffered from poor teeth. Besides the pain and discomfort, Jane feels uncomfortable when she laughs or smiles. She avoids socializing and eating with friends and family. Like Jane, there are millions of people suffering from missing teeth, having a negative impact on their looks, diet, and quality of life. Dentures can be a solution, but they have drawbacks. They can loosen over time and may cause pain, discomfort, and embarrassment. Can you imagine how wonderful it would be to have teeth that are secure and look natural? Well, there is a solution that will enable you to enjoy your food and smile again. This is where your dentist and a Swiss dental implant partner can help. An implant partner with decades of experience and research developing novel dental solutions. You can now secure your new teeth to dental implants. A cost-efficient treatment where unique high-performance materials are used to ensure a reliable and natural-looking solution. The solution is called Straumann Pro Arch. The result? You regain quality of life, and your new fixed teeth look so natural that only you and your dentist will know. With treatment in just one day, a day you will remember as opening a new chapter in your life. Out of millions of patients, there are no two cases the same. People like you and Jane are unique. This solution will be optimized especially for you. See how a day can change your life. Feel confident, feel comfortable, feel good. So say goodbye to discomfort and embarrassing moments. Ask your dentist about Straumann Pro Arch and see how a day can change your life. Straumann Pro Arch. Of course, you'll need to discuss all the benefits of a procedure, as well as any possible risks, with your clinician.